Hey everyone, this is Brent from AutoIndustriya.com and we're here at the basement parking of Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, a big supporter of Philippine car culture, be the venue of a lot of car meets. And today, we're here for Hardcore Manila's 2025 Endgame meet, featuring hundreds of cars in attendance, styled and tuned from mild to wild. So come, let's check out all the cars here. The idea for the group was conceived in late 2024 by passionate car enthusiasts Henry Chua, Richmond Sunga, Vince Paredes, Charlie Castro, Lester Contreras, and Victor Gonzalez, who wanted to elevate the Philippine car scene featuring only the best cars. With its first official meet on February 15, 2025 at the podium parking of Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, Hardcore Manila attracted around 100 cars who gathered to enjoy their common passion. Hardcore Manila now has about 400 official members. The group aims to rep hard and stay hardcore. Watch out for their meets or events popping up somewhere near you. Once again, this is Brent of AutoIndustriya.com. Thank you for watching.